So last night, 60 Minutes did a story on ultra-processed foods, and it confirms something that many doctors, researchers, health experts, and myself have known for many years, and we've been warning you guys about this. Ultra-processed foods now make up over 60% of the average American diet, and they've been linked to obesity, depression, heart disease, diabetes, and even early death. But here's the good news. You don't need a perfect diet to dramatically improve your health. You just need to start replacing ultra-processed foods with real food. Ultra-processed foods aren't just junk food. They include things like protein bars, breakfast cereals, frozen meals, packaged snacks, fast food, soda, and even many foods marketed as quote-unquote healthy. Processed meats like chicken nuggets, sausages, and hot dogs, sugar-sweetened beverages, liquid cheese products, cookies, candies, gummy fruit snacks, refined grain breads, tortillas, dairy-based desserts like ice cream, ready-to-eat meals, tortilla and potato-based chips. If it comes in a package with 20 ingredients and you don't recognize half of them, it's probably ultra-processed. These foods are engineered to be hyper-palatable, addictive, and easy to overeat. They override your natural hunger signals. They're typically high in sugar, high in seed oils, low in nutrients, and designed for profit, not health. They often lead to energy crashes, weight gain, inflammation, brain fog, and long-term disease. People on an ultra-processed food diet ate an average of 500 calories more a day. So things that you can do: read the labels of the food that you're buying, cook at home, choose more whole foods, limit your amount of junk food and fast food, plan out your meals. You don't need to follow some extreme diet. You just need to start replacing ultra-processed food with real foods. Some easy swaps: instead of cereal, eggs and fruit. Instead of protein bars, Greek yogurt. Instead of chips, nuts. Instead of soda, water or sparkling water. Instead of fast food, steak, chicken, fish, potatoes, and rice. Focus on foods with one ingredient: steak, eggs, fruit, vegetables, rice, potatoes, nuts, chicken, fish. If it grew, walked, swam, or came from the ground, it's probably good. When you reduce ultra-processed foods, people often experience more energy, better mood, easier weight control, clearer thinking, and better sleep. Your body starts working the way it was designed to. The food industry makes billions keeping people addicted to ultra-processed foods, but you have control. You don't need perfection. Just start replacing one ultra-processed food per day with a real food. Your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, subscribe. I cover health, mindset, and how to live at your highest level. Thanks for watching.